In my last video, we drafted the satin midi skirt pattern that you can see on the thumbnail. And today, I'll be showing you how to cut and sew the skirt. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Richeline. If you're a beginner or intermediate designer, this video is perfect for you. Before you watch this video, make sure you have watched the drafting video first because we'll be using that same pattern in today's tutorial. I've already folded my fabric in bias form. This is how to fold your fabric in bias form. I've already folded my own fabric and I've also pinned it down. You need a lot of pin for this fabric because it is very slippery. Add your sewing allowance, add 1 inch sewing allowance on the side and add half inch on the waist. Half inch on the waist. Then you cut it out. Make sure you use enough pin and make sure you cut gently. Make sure you cut gently to maintain accuracy because this fabric is very slippery and it can shift. So fold your fabric again to cut the back panel. Bring out your back pattern and lay it on the fabric to cut the back panel. Just like we did for the back panel, hold your pattern hold it down with the fabric with pin. Hold it down with pin so that it doesn't shift. Add your sewing allowance, half inch on the waist and 1 inch by the side. Half inch on the waist and 1 inch for the side seam. So we are going to cut out facing for this skirt. Cut out 2 inches or 1.5 facing for the skirt. Add half-inch sewing allowance. When you want to cut your facing, put your fabric on fold, also in bias form. Put the fabric on fold and also in bias form because there's not going to be joining at the center back, so the fabric must be on fold just as it is for the front. And add 1 inch by the side of the pattern. Add 1 inch, which is also going to serve as your side seam on the facing pattern. So I will start by turning the waist with the facing. You're going to turn the waist with facing. Remember we cut facing the other time, so you're going to turn it with the facing. Hold your facing down with the skirt with pin. Use pin to hold it together so that you can sew it easily. So you join it with half-inch. Remember we added half-inch as joining allowance. So we turn the skirt with facing using half-inch. Also turn the back with the facing. Join the back with the facing and sew it with half-inch. Hold it together with pin so that you can sew it easily, and then you join it with half-inch. Make sure that the right side of the facing fabric is facing the right side of the skirt. The right side of the facing is facing the right side of the skirt. Right side to right side. So the next thing is to join the side seam together. So I'm joining the side seam together, and make sure that you sew it smoothly and there's no tension on the fabric. And then make sure you use a very moderate stitch, because satin fabric is very soft. So you're going to be using a moderate stitch. Remember we added 1 inch as our side seam allowance. So mark out your 1 inch and sew it together with 1 inch. And also right side facing right side. The right side of the back panel is facing the right side of the front panel. So you are going to be joining both sides, but on the other side, make sure you leave about 9 inch to 10 inches before you start sewing, because you are going to be fixing your zipper on the second side. The next thing is I'm going to be hemming the hemline. So hem the skirt by 1 inch. You turn the half inch twice, half inch, then you turn another half inch. This is a curved edge, so you're going to be sewing it gently and very neatly. So you're going to be fixing the zipper on the side. I'm sorry for the white nylon and the black nylon that's showing. That was when I was looking for the zipper. I'm sorry about that. So you're going to fix the zipper on one side of the skirt. I'll recommend the left side of the skirt. Then you can see the result. You can see how neat it is. You can see the facing, you can see the zipper. So give it a very nice pressing. Press it very well, and this is our result. I'm sorry, the skirt is not mine, it's for my customer, so I can't put it on. So this is our skirt. You see how beautiful, very neat. Every lady should own a satin skirt. I recommend that. If you follow the drafting video, you should have the same result. So thank you guys. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next one.